Hey, what's up, everybody? I have a review I want to do because I got a package. And I'm excited to open it because I made a video on this a while back about this product I'm about to open. And since I'm in London right now. It's only out in London. So I'm the first one to have my hands on it from the US. So let's open it. All right, so let's open it. This came today. I ordered it yesterday. So, mind you, it's not out yet in the US. It is the Muse for the Apple Vision Pro, October 23rd. And in London, this just came out. In the UK. In the US, they still haven't announced the drop. So, got my hands on it. Now we're going to see what it's like, kind of. All right, here we go. Which is cool. What else is in here? Like more rounded. One is pointed more. All right, so let me grab my Vision Pros and do a screen grab on this one as I go through it. Okay, let's see. Coming on. Ooh, they come on really quick now. All right, got the Muse, so let's turn it on for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. And turn on my Bluetooth. Go to Bluetooth and let's see if it's there. Nothing there. If not, I might have to charge it. Okay, so I had to charge the pencil. I took a little break for a second, but let's get back into it. Vision Pros are on, got the pencil, and let's start. It says press button for 3 seconds. There it is, Logitech Muse. All right, pair. Oh, haptic touch. Now, got the pencil. I don't know what I can do with this, actually. So let's see. I am connected now. Okay. So we are connected. And Apple Store. Just go to. All right. I think I just need to go to. Like, I don't know what applications are there for me to use for this. So. Maybe they would tell me on here. Designs, in the box, software and support. Get started, register as product, view all downloads. Let's see what this says. There are no downloads for this product. Okay. So let's go here. Get started. Okay, here we go. We have pin tips, pressure, sensor, secondary, primary, sensor, haptic, feedback, power, USB, power button. And you have pairing your Muse, did that. On and off. Okay, placing. Compatible apps. Muse is compatible with a number of applications and the list is continually growing. Okay, what are the apps? Okay, so we got Crayon. So let's do that. So obviously it is a very new product and not many apps are here yet, but the skies is about to be the limit. Okay, here we go. First test. Let's close this first. Let's do this. Let's see if we got a settings in there first. Enable. I don't know if it's my hand. Well, that's my hand. That's not it. Let's go to, what apps can Logi Muse be used with in Apple Vision Pro? Let's see. Muse stylus can be used in variety of apps and Pro protection. Device offers blah, 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 blah. Okay. Sketch Pro. Okay, let's try this. Sketch Pro. Sketch Pro. Probably a paid app, huh? Okay, let's try a different app. I don't know. I mean, I think this is my review. It's basically an unboxing, and I guess once they have something in place, I'll try this Sketch Pro again, see if it'll do it. Wouldn't hurt. One more time. It's not turning green, so that might be a software issue for confirm placement. Confirm. So now I'm getting this. Okay, now I'm getting updates for this, so. Oh. So. Well, definitely has some work to do. Because this, I don't feel anything. I see the board. Wherever you place this at is where you're going to draw. So if I do this, so if I place it here, say if I place it there, and I draw here, I can do, let's see. The thing is the orientation's off, so that's weird. So if I try again, let's see. There is definitely some compatibility issues with this. Issues with the app. I think it's the app though. I think this is not the best app, but let's try again. So I'm gonna have to close this again. No, it's not going green. The fact that this is not going green is causing major issues when it comes to trying to, okay, maybe that's it. Yeah, I got the Muse right here. The thing is I'm drawing over here. There is a major delay. So it's not the smoothest, but they got some work to do, you can tell, some software updates. It does work. I have got it to work, and it'd be nice if I can draw over here. This is where the picture's at. I'm drawing right here. There should be a pad on this, but it's not showing. So, I don't know. Oh, there we go. It pops up later. So, okay. Let me see if I can get this pad. So if I want to do, it's like a Wacom board. So if I do, let me see if I can write my name. All that shaking. No, that's crazy. Look at this. It's not even. All right. Let's close it. Well, so obviously I don't know. I don't know if it's like what it can do yet. The apps are not doing their jobs. And yeah, so it's early right now. Literally just came out yesterday. Once the apps and the developers create the apps, once that comes out, I think this has the potential because as you can see, I was drawing on the pad, and that's what we're going to want to do when we have this. I want to be able to sit down and be in my Vision Pros and be writing like this. So I see what they're trying to do, and I see what they're going to do. We just got to get the developers to catch up, as we've seen in the Apple Vision Pros with gaming and just apps in general. They're still in development. So once that comes in, it seems like this will be a great product. Right now, it's early stages, as you can see, but I think it has potential, and I can't really judge it right now until everything comes out more. There is some software updates, and you can tell it needs to be gone with the Apple Vision Pros connecting to this. Connected pretty well, but just needs some work, as you can see. But anyways, that's the review. I hope this gives a little bit of, I don't know, clarity on what's coming. I would definitely buy it because, like I said, it will have potential for it for sure. And we're going to see what they're going to do with it. And I'm excited, actually. Technology is going crazy right now. So this is what I was excited about in my last video. And I look forward to seeing what's going to be next with this. Also, even with the Apple Vision Pro. So see you guys.